Body facts you should not ignore. The liver helps clean the body by breaking down alcohol and removing harmful toxins. It's an organ that performs many essential functions to keep you healthy. Even if we consume a lot of alcohol or fatty foods, the liver keeps working quietly to protect our body. When the liver's function begins to decline, waste products gradually start to build up in the body. It eventually causes several warning signs to appear. First, there is a change in breath odor. When the liver can no longer properly break down ammonia, a sharp smell similar to that of a public restroom may come from the mouth. If you notice a sudden change in your breath odor, it's a sign to be cautious. Next, there is a symptom where the palms become bright red. This happens because a female hormone called estrogen builds up inside the body, which causes this condition. Because estrogen has the effect of dilating blood vessels. If the liver cannot process it smoothly, redness may appear in a ring or donut shape around the center of the palm. Furthermore, itching may appear all over the body. Normally, substances that suppress itching and those that cause it are balanced within the body. When the liver weakens, this balance collapses. Substances that cause itching become dominant. A substance called bilirubin flows back into the bloodstream. Even if there are no visible abnormalities, it can cause itching so severe that it becomes unbearable. Another typical abnormality caused by the backflow of bilirubin is a condition called jaundice, where the skin turns yellow. At this time, changes may also be seen in the color of stool and urine. The stool may appear whitish or grayish in color. Urine may become unusually dark or take on a brownish tint. Also, when the liver is weakened, it may also affect digestive function. Cases of constipation have also been reported. Signs that may appear on the neck, arms, or chest include spider angiomas, a small, spider-like blood vessels that can appear on the skin. This, too, is caused by an excess of estrogen. When estrogen levels rise, the blood vessels near the skin's surface expand, creating a spiderweb-like pattern known as a spider angioma. Furthermore, swelling of the legs can occur. This is one of the visible signs that the liver may not be functioning properly. If your socks, waistband, or thighs suddenly feel tighter than usual, it could be more than just weight gain. This may be a sign that your liver isn't producing enough albumin. Albumin is a protein that helps retain water within blood vessels. When the liver's function weakens, it produces less albumin. This can cause water to leak from blood vessels into surrounding tissues, making the lower body more prone to swelling. Fluid can accumulate not only in the legs, but also in the abdomen. This condition is medically known as ascites. As the fluid builds up, body weight increases. And many people mistakenly think they've just gained weight. In reality, it's difficult to tell the difference between ascites and fat just by appearance. If your belly starts to feel unusually soft or jiggly, it could be due to fluid buildup rather than fat. The liver acts as the body's energy factory. It stores two major forms of energy: glycogen and neutral fat. Glycogen is the energy source used for short-term needs, and triglycerides are a long-term energy reserve that helps the body prepare for shortages such as hunger. However, even though starvation is rare in modern times, excess energy continues to accumulate as triglycerides. This leads to fatty liver, where fat occupies more than 30% of liver cells. If left untreated, inflammation can develop, causing fatty liver disease. Fatty liver inflammation often shows no symptoms at first, but repeated inflammation can cause liver cells to die, eventually hardening the liver into cirrhosis. If left unchecked, it may progress to liver cancer. Therefore, at the stage of fatty liver, it's extremely important to stop the progression of symptoms. The most effective way to improve fatty liver is through weight reduction. For example, research shows that losing just 10% of your body weight can significantly improve fatty liver. For those diagnosed with fatty liver, it's recommended to aim for about a 10% weight loss. What is fat burning? It's the process of using stored body fat as energy. Our bodies use energy to move and to maintain body temperature. But any excess energy is stored as fat. For example, when you exercise, your body needs a lot of energy. The fat stored inside your body begins to break down, and it uses that energy to keep you moving. This process is called fat burning. When the energy you get from food isn't used up and remains, the liver begins to produce triglycerides. These triglycerides travel through the blood and are stored inside fat cells, which make up body fat. Body fat is the total fat stored in the body, and most of what's inside fat cells is triglycerides. Body fat that stores triglycerides is classified as visceral fat or subcutaneous fat, depending on where it's located. Actually, fat cells are not evenly distributed throughout the body. Fat cells are most concentrated under the skin and around the internal organs. The triglycerides stored in fat cells around the internal organs are called visceral fat. The triglycerides stored in fat cells beneath the skin are called subcutaneous fat. The triglycerides measured in health check blood tests are the triglycerides circulating in your bloodstream. A high value means your body has excess energy, and the liver is supplying more fat to the fat cells. Basal metabolism is the amount of energy your body uses at rest, and it varies by age, sex, weight, and muscle mass. To promote fat burning, increasing your basal metabolism is effective. By increasing muscle mass, it boosts basal metabolism and raises daily calorie expenditure, and is believed to help create a body that burns fat more easily. When you eat, your body uses energy during digestion, absorption, and metabolism. This is called diet-induced thermogenesis. Protein has a higher diet-induced thermogenesis than other nutrients, increasing the energy burned after meals and supporting fat burning. Some nutrients play a role in helping fat burning. Protein helps maintain and increase muscle mass and boosts basal metabolism. Caffeine is said to boost metabolism and promote fat breakdown. Green tea catechins have antioxidant properties and have been reported to support fat burning. The medium-chain fatty acids, MCTs, in coconut oil are rapidly converted into energy and are said to potentially prevent fat accumulation. Adding these foods to your diet can help boost fat burning. Omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, are highly abundant in fish like mackerel, sardines, and salmon. Studies show they effectively reduce triglyceride levels. They also promote fat metabolism and lower the risk of arteriosclerosis. Recent research indicates that intermittent fasting effectively reduces triglyceride levels and promotes fat burning. During fasting, insulin levels decrease as the body begins using fat for energy. It is believed to promote the breakdown of triglycerides. Thank you for watching. If you found this interesting, please give it a like. Make sure to subscribe for more content.